In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Excel from rounding numbers the easy way. When working with numbers in Microsoft Excel, you may sometimes notice that certain values appear rounded inside your worksheet. This usually happens because of the cell formatting applied to those numbers. Even though Excel still stores the full value behind the scenes, the cell may only display a limited number of digits. This can make it look like Excel is rounding your numbers automatically. Fortunately, there are simple ways to control how numbers are displayed so you can see the full value whenever necessary. To begin, select the cell that contains the number you want to adjust. Once the cell is selected, go to the Home tab located at the top of the Excel window. In the Home tab, find the Number section. Within this section, you will see a drop-down menu that controls the formatting applied to your selected cell. Click this drop-down menu and choose the number format. Another quick way to access the formatting options is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+1. Pressing this shortcut opens the Format Cells dialog box, where you can customize how numbers appear in your worksheet. Inside this dialog box, select the Number category. Here, you can define the number of decimal places and adjust how the value is displayed. After choosing the settings you want, click OK. Once applied, you will notice that the format of the selected cell changes, allowing the value to appear as a complete number according to the format you selected. In certain situations, you might need to display numbers that contain more than 15 digits. Excel has a display limitation for numbers beyond this length. When working with values such as identification numbers, bank account numbers, or telephone numbers, one simple workaround is to place an apostrophe before the number. Adding an apostrophe converts the value into text, which removes the display limitation applied to numbers. By understanding these formatting options, you can prevent confusion caused by rounded numbers and ensure your data appears exactly the way you need it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.